this video, I'll show you how you can invite anyone to a group on Roblox. Now, first you need to head over to roblox.com. From in here, you need to log into your account, just like this. And on the left-hand side, you should see a groups button. Now you can create your own group, or you can have any of these groups. I'm just going to select a random one. Let's say this one. Now once you're in here, you're going to copy the link here. And then you're going to head over to your chat. Now when you have friends in here, this is a new account, so there's no friends on it. You're just going to select your friend, message them the link up here, and they're simply going to click on it, and they can click the join group button. There's not much more to it. It's really that simple. So try this out. If it helped you, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching the video.